Let's do our makeup today, y'all. Just gonna start off with some eyebrows. Now this routine is like an everyday makeup routine for me. This is something that I do daily. So I'm just gonna show y'all real quick. It's just gonna be a quick little beat. I'm not gonna conceal my brows today. I just want them to kind of look natural and do their own thing. So once I put them on like this, I'm just gonna let them go. Y'all give thanks for 2024. Whatever endeavors that you guys set out for your New Year's resolution, if don't be discouraged if you have not fulfilled those in 2024, because you always have a second chance at fulfilling those dreams and goals that you had set out for yourself in the new year 2025. So don't give up on yourself. I'm not putting on no eyelashes today, but I will do like a little winged eye, very small wing. All right, I'm back. I got my Ruby Kiss black liquid liner, and we're just gonna try to create a wing. That's that primer. I did go in with the Stay Matte by Rimmel London primer, and I put that on my face. I don't really need too much primer nowadays because we are going into the winter months, so you're not gonna be sweating as much, but I still just like to have an ultra matte face, so I do it anyways. Your choice, do it or not. Alright, so this is like a little light natural beat, so you don't want no super long extended wings, so we're not putting on lashes. Alright, I'm gonna attempt to just put some mascara on, just to define the little lashes that I have. I don't know if y'all can see them, but they're like really, really fine. I have some, but they're like so super fine. I don't even bother with mascara, but today I'm gonna try to put some on. Oh, this is like so ridiculous. That's why I wear lashes all the time. Now y'all see what I'm talking about. But we gonna make it work. Okay. All right, y'all. Now for the face, I'm going in with this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation. This is in the color 340. This is my complexion, so I'm not gonna use a lot of this. I normally just spot check my face. Just put it right on the hyperpigmentation spots, because I don't like the cake face. I don't like cake face, so. And then right up underneath my dark circles, under my eye. I normally put my makeup on, my foundation on, just with my fingers. I mean, I do have a brush, but I can get a bit more precise coverage with my finger. Sure you get in the creases of your nose, and right over your mustache. You don't want that 5 o'clock shadow. Adding some more foundation in these scars that's kind of trying to peek through the foundation. Just cover it up with the foundation you have on your face already. Once it starts to dry matte, you just want to pat the foundation in with your finger, and that's just going to help the foundation set in place. See that? It was a scar right there. I just put like a dab, just a little dab of foundation in that area, and bam, it was gone. Just that fast. And just rub it in, kind of like a lotion. Bring it down the bridge of your nose. I like to drag a little bit into the front of my eyebrows. That way my eyebrows will be kind of like faded. And the transition from fade to medium to dark on the end. That's how I like it. All right, I'm just gonna go in with some contour. I'm doing the Ruby Kiss Matte Powder Foundation. This is in the color, Cognac. Color Cognac, number 15. And I got a huge super forehead, big forehead, so I'm definitely gonna contour that. It's gonna minimize the size of the forehead. That's the beauty in makeup. It gives you the illusion of like a smaller dome if you know how to apply it correctly. All right, go down my nose a little bit and let's make that thing just a little smaller. And I like to put this on over top of my eyelid. It gives my eye sockets a little more depth and dimension.
He was looking for items to steal.
Now this is not a full-on glam beat, y'all. This is just a natural, everyday look. So if you don't like a lot of makeup, this eye makeup look right here would be very ideal for you. Go ahead and contour that jawline, snatch that jaw. I'm gonna put something right up underneath the chin, and that's if you have that turkey neck hanging and it was just Thanksgiving. Yeah, go ahead and put that contour on your neck. It's gonna bring everything in. Now you could be done and just be ready to go, just like this. But I gotta put some eyeliner under my eye. All right, so we're just gonna take a little setting spray and mist our face. And I'm gonna go in with this, what is this? It's LA Color Beauty Pot eyeshadow. And it has a trio color in it. And we're just gonna take this gold and highlight our inner corners. All right, now we get that done. I missed my face one more time because I'm gonna highlight my cheekbones. All three colors, just swirl the pot, wipe it on your cheekbones. Add a nice subtle highlight. Put a little on the bridge of the nose. Maybe on the tip. All right, so to finish this look up, we're just gonna go in and line our lips. This is just with a light brown color. All right, and I'm going in with the NYX Butter Gloss, and this is in the color
Beige 13.
All right. All right, y'all. This is the final look. Let me know what you think down in the comment section below. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel if you're not already subscribed. Hit the like button, share this video, and I will see you guys again in my next hair or makeup tutorial. I'll see y'all guys later.